Today we are going to discuss about bundling in MVC. So I'm going to create an empty web application. It is MVC application, and other options are not checked out. So let's go to create that. View Solution Explorer. So to show this bundling, I have to create four views, four different views, and in different views I will show how bundling is happening. So let's create a controller to show the views. Empty controller, add. Suppose it is named as employee controller. Okay, so we will go to show four views. For four views, I have four different action method. From that, the view will be shown. So, for example, I will go for add, edit, delete. Okay. So, in a controller, employee controller, I have these four action methods. So, for every action method, I will have a view. So, I am going here, right click, add view, index, okay, without model, without layout. Okay, then for add, I have adding another view. Okay, for edit, I have another view. For delete, I have another view without model. Okay, so let's blank these views to show the proper thing. I am making all the views are blank so that we can give our content. So all the views are blank now. All the views are blank, and if you'll see here, this is the views controller name, then it is the views under that controller name. So in index, I am going to paste a bunch of HTML lines to show a table. Okay, to index we are showing the employees list. So let's see how it is showing and run this. Okay, so when I am running this, I am seeing this much. This is the UI I am seeing. So if we will go to the application, we have this div and everything is inside that. But we are not getting the actual what is called UI page. So though the bootstrap classes are available, but we are not getting it. So if you will install bootstrap in this application, then I will go for referencing and it will be shown according to bootstrap. So let's do that. Go to Solution Explorer. Okay, So I'm closing this running mode. Right click, manage NuGet package, and you can type here bootstrap. So we'll go for this first one, this to bootstrap. I will go and I will install it. So it is installing now. Okay. So see, you are saying automatically they are putting the required JS file in the script folder. Script folder was not there, so it create one script folder, and now there are the required JavaScript file for that bootstrap operation, and in the content the required CSS files. Okay, so let's go to the index page, and we need these two CSS file, bootstrap.css, sorry, bootstrap mean.css. Okay, suppose I will go for bootstrap grid.css also. Actually this will be okay for showing that. Let's run it. Only this I will add here, from here to here, then I will run it. Okay, after running I am getting a proper UI according to bootstrap. Previously it was not like this. Suppose I want to make this background color as blue and a text color as white, then I have to add my own CSS file. Let's do that. So stop it here, then I'll go here, content, add style sheet. I will say my custom style. So the extension will be CSS and it will be added to this folder. Okay, my custom style. So here what I will do, in the body I can give like this, background color as blue or blue violet, suppose. I'll save this. Another thing is I have to give text color, color white. I can give you, this is for white color. Save it, and I will run it. I can run using the Chrome also, but I am using the Internet Explorer now. Yes, but we have to reference this file also. The content is background blue violet and color is white, but we have to reference in the index so that it will come. Then I will drag and drop here. It is referenced now. Then we will run it. Yes, the color, background color is coming, but the color is not coming. So there are some other colors, color CSS files which is overlapping the white color. So we can do this like this. So if I will press the F12 button, F12 button I press, I am going to DOM Explorer and I will click here. Okay, I clicked here. I am going to the text. So what it is showing, background color is blue. Yes, it is showing. I am here. It is saying that color is black here. Suppose I will click it, it will become white. This color was overlapping our white color. Okay. So instead of, we can do it, either remove it or we can. So to remove, I have to go to this SCSS file. So it will be difficult. So I will not remove it, but I will do apply another thing so that it will be white. What is that thing? I will go to our CSS file, my custom details, and I will write here important. Save it. Now go to the page and refresh. Still not coming. Okay. Go here. Yes. Color important or still not coming. Okay, we will go see here it is overlapped by this one, this table. Okay, so we will go for the CSS file later, but our image some different. Okay. Our goal is to use this CSS files. Okay, for let's I will go for adding some employees, so I will go for a form here. Okay, so this is add.html. I am adding here this much HTML to show the proper input. Okay, proper input to add employee. So let's run it, or either we can it is added here, so I can run it, or I can directly type there. So I will just start here as add. This is the name of the action. So I press there add. So when I am writing the add, definitely the add view. So this add view will be shown. Let's see. See, this add view is showing here due to this HTML I added here. But the thing is that there is no CS bootstrap reference. So I can copy it from here. I will copy it from here and I will paste in the add. Okay, let's go to the add and I will refresh the file. So when I refresh the file, I get the proper UI. Our background color is this one. Okay, blue and violet. Even I will suppose make it yellow green, suppose. Save it. Then I go to this screen and I will refresh it. Its background color is changed. Okay, similarly I will go to suppose this file. I will go to edit. Index is done. We have content for index. We have the content for index and we have the reference for index. We have the content for add and also reference for add. Similarly, we will go for edit, putting something in edit, and for edit I can directly take it from add. Suppose, for example, I will take it this one. Everything I will copy, Ctrl C, and put it in edit. Okay, edit is done. Then for delete, I can go for different content or I can take it from here. Suppose Control A, Control C, and I will go to delete, Control V. Okay, so everywhere I am going to add this reference. Okay, everywhere I am going to add this reference so that the performance is slow, because in every page whenever we are going, I am directing to the web server, so the performance is slow. Now every page is calling this line of CSS file from the server. So all the 4 files are calling. So the purpose of bundling is to put it in one place and call at a time, not different times. Okay. So to show the performance, I will go for showing you the Internet Explorer. So I will run it, add. Suppose I am going to run the ad, and I will show how it is connecting to the server. Okay, so I will go for F12. I will go to network. See, in network, what it is happening, I will clear the cache. I will clear the cache. I will clear the cookie, and I will again enter it and go to the network. See, it is taking this much time. 15, it is around 16 millisecond, it is 30 millisecond, and these are the data it is calling. Okay, it is calling employee, that index file, the view. This is the CSS file, this is the CSS. Bootstrap mean.css we added here. Bootstrap mean.css, my custom style.css, my custom style.css. Okay, so they are around 30 millisecond and 5 millisecond they are taking. Okay, so I'll just take a copy of this. I'll use the snipping tool. This one I will take a copy. New, keep a copy, and we have to observe this. Okay, Bootstrap mean.css and my custom style.css. Okay, let's minimize it. Then we are going to create a, I will stop it. Then we are going to create a bundle. So I will see how the bundling is minimizing this effort to call all the resources in each page. So if you will see the file structure of this MVC application, there is a app start folder. We will add the bundling just like root.config. So there is it is mentioned here, controller name, action name, it is a default. If there is an index action, it will take it. Similarly, I will add bundle config.css. Right click, add class. So it will be bundle config.css. Add it. Okay. So namespace is okay. We don't need this one. Namespace may be anything, but I will give the shape to bundle config. So remove this one. Actually, in bundle config, what happen? We have to create a method register bundles, just like here. Register routes. Here we will use, and the parameter is route collections. So here we are using register bundles bundle collection, and bundle dot add new style bundle this is the name of the bundle, and it is including two files that we have used here, these two files. Okay, so go to the bundle config. I added these two files here, and this is the name of the bundle. The naming is just like this. You should have a tilde symbol slash this. This is the formula for naming. We cannot give other name. Okay, it should be in a, I will show why they are naming it like this. So we are including two CSS files. Okay, so I have to remove this error by the potential fixes. So we will go for install package Microsoft ASP.NET. This is the fix. I have to go for installing this. I am going here and install latest version. Okay, it is installing in the background. After installation, this error will go. Now the error is gone. So we can use this bundle with the name this. Okay, let's run it. Sorry, build it first. Then we will do some additional changes. So we have here we are adding this bundle to the bundles collection. Another line. This is the important line. If I will not write this, then it will not go for bundling. So bundle table dot enable optimization is equal to true. Now we will go to the add CSS_HTML. So as we have already done the bundling here. So we added the bundle here and name is this one. So we will go to the add.css_HTML. We have included these two files. Okay, so we will go to the add CSS_HTML, add view. We'll delete this. Then I will use this @style.render. Okay, styles.render. So it is not coming because .render not coming because we have to add another thing as a reference using system.web.optimization. Then the render will come dot render. So our that name what we have given here, this name, this one. So if you write this render, and this is the supporting file, supporting package system.web.optimization. So if you write this one, we don't need to write like this, referencing in this page. So let's run this add.css_HTML. Run it. Okay, I am running the add, but still this is not coming. So what is the issue? The issue is I have to go to the global.asx and register the bundle there. So if you go to the global.asx, see, route is registered here, route table is registered here. See, route was previously there and the name is routes. Okay, sorry, what is that name? Route table. Okay, route table is registered here in the global.asx. Route config.route register routes table.routes. So similarly, I have to register bundle config register bundles. Why it is not coming? So first I have to solve this one, then it will come. So potential fixes is we have to add this one using web application 2.abstract, because this bundle is here. Go to the bundle config, it is in the it is in the namespace web application 2.abstract. So if we remove this one, this part, then the namespace will be same and we don't need to worry about. See, this is the namespace. And for route config, namespace is web 2, web application 2. So don't go for any fix, it will automatically come. So automatically coming because we removed here in the bundler config, we removed the some dot after part. Okay, so as both namespace are same, so we don't need to worry about. So here I will go for register bundles. Okay, bundle table. Bundle table. Okay, why bundle table is not coming? Go for a potential fix. Web dot optimization. So added here bundle tables dot bundles. Semicolon here. Now this one will be reflected. Add. That time it was not reflected. We added this styled render, and this is the name of the bundle. Here, name of the bundle. Now we will run the r.cshtml. Now you can see we are getting the proper page. Okay. Similarly, we will go to different pages. So just copy it, Ctrl C, and go to the index page. Go there, and I have to override this. Okay, go to the edit page, override this one, then delete page, override this one. Okay, so everywhere we are writing this much only at one place, and in the bundle.config we have created the bundle. Okay, for these two we are bundling these two CSS files. No need to go to every page and referencing that particular CSS files. Okay, now we will run it. Okay, just stop it. Stop it, and I will run this application. So this is called the concept of bundling. Okay, so next step I will show you how bundling is helping us. So I will show you the name. See why we are using the naming here. What is the use of naming? Okay, so this is should be URL. Okay, so using this URL it will bundle the CSS file. So now I am running this. I will show how it is used. Okay, we are getting the page. I will go for F12. Okay, see it is taking the URL. Okay, to show the bootstrap min.css. They are using this URL. Okay, XYZ, localhost XYZ. Okay, so suppose I will clear the cache and a cookie. Again I am running it. What is happening? See, So it is it bundled these two. It bundled these two files. Okay, bootstrap.css, my custom style.css into uh, one compact file. Okay, and it is using this URL xyz what we have mentioned here, xyz my css. Okay, so there is no two calls. Okay, so if you will compare with this what we have saved there, see here it is calling two times mean.css, custom style.css. So it is 30 millisecond file, so around 35 millisecond here. It is calling one time. Okay, it is calling it one time, but millisecond I will tell you why it is so much, because we have not refreshed the page. So it is calling one time to the server. Here it is calling two times. So for bundling, what we are doing, first step is we are creating a class bundle.config. Step 1. Okay. So notepad, first of all, create a second you are doing this, you are writing the code. Okay, so you are adding the css files, js file, even javascript we can do js files. Then number 3, we are going to global.axs. Okay, and we are registering the bundle. We are registering the bundle. These 3 things we have to do. And 4 one is the last one, what we are doing here, rendering and using system.web.optimization. Okay, using system.web.optimization and render the particular bundle name. Okay, so these 3 things we are doing for bundling.